Imagine a steamy baked potato fresh out of the oven, its skin crisp and golden. Slit it open to reveal the fluffy interior, topped with a dollop of creamy butter that melts and seeps into every nook and cranny, a sprinkle of chives for that sharp contrast, and a generous grating of tangy cheddar cheese, melting into a gooey blanket. Welcome to a world of 14 amazing potato recipes, each one a culinary delight. This is not just about the humble spud, but about the myriad ways to transform it into a gastronomic masterpiece. First up is the classic baked potato. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Scrub your potatoes clean, then prick them all over with a fork. Brush them with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and bake for about an hour, or until the skin is crispy and the inside is soft and fluffy. Top with butter, chives, and grated cheese. Next on the list, potato gratin. Slice potatoes thinly, then layer them in a baking dish. Pour over a mixture of heavy cream, minced garlic, and grated nutmeg. Sprinkle with grated Gruyere cheese, then bake until the potatoes are tender and the top is golden and bubbly. For the third recipe, consider the Spanish tortilla. Sauté thinly sliced potatoes and onions in olive oil until soft, then mix with beaten eggs and cook gently until set. Flip it over and cook the other side until golden. Then there's the Irish colcannon, a heart-warming mash of potatoes, cabbage, and onions enriched with butter and cream. Boil the potatoes until tender, then mash them with butter and cream. Sauté the cabbage and onions, then mix them into the mashed potatoes. Potato pancakes, or latkes, make a delightful breakfast or snack. Grate potatoes and onions, then mix with beaten eggs and a little flour. Fry spoonfuls of the mixture until golden and crispy. For a simple yet satisfying dish, try roasted baby potatoes. Toss the potatoes with olive oil, rosemary, and garlic. Then roast until golden and crispy. The seventh recipe is the classic French fries. Cut potatoes into sticks, then fry until golden and crispy. Sprinkle with salt and serve with ketchup or mayo. The list goes on with potato salad, potato soup, potato bread, potato gnocchi, potato leek soup, sweet potato fries, and potato chips. Each recipe has its own unique flavor profile, but they all share the same base ingredient: the versatile, humble potato. In summary, these 14 amazing potato recipes showcase the incredible versatility of the potato. From the classic baked potato to the elegant potato gratin, from the hearty Irish colcannon to the crispy French fries, there's a potato dish for every occasion and every palate. So go ahead, give these recipes a try, and discover the many delicious ways to enjoy the humble spud.